This is the Samsung Galaxy S9 and the Galaxy S9 Plus. I was able to get my hands on these a little bit early, so let's see what comes inside of the box, and we'll go over some key new features, and most importantly, give you an idea of what this dual aperture camera is capable of with some sample photos and 4K video. When you pick one of these up, first you'll get the phone itself. I have the Midnight Black model here, but it's available in two other colors, the Coral Blue, and there's also a new Lilac Purple color, which looks really nice by the way. You get a SIM ejector tool and also a quick start guide if you need one. The international models might come with a clear case as well, but none here for the US unlock model. The first thing on the bottom is a power brick, which still uses adaptive fast charging with Quick Charge 2.0. You get a USB-A to USB-C connector for transferring files, and also you can use this for OTG, it works really well. Then in this little separate compartment is where you'll find the USB Type-C cord. I really like that all these accessories are black again like last year. You get some headphones included. These are the AKG headphones we saw last year, it looks like, and they're decent headphones too by the way, and finally some earbuds if you need to adjust the fit. If you want to see a full breakdown of all of the new features on the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, I made a video telling you everything that you need to know before buying one of these, so make sure you click on that card or check the description for the link. So I won't go over every feature, but here are the most important features that I think that you need to know about. If you look at this and the Galaxy S8 side by side, there are no huge differences in terms of hardware. You get the same glass and metal build with the big and beautiful 5.8 inch or 6.2 inch Quad HD Super AMOLED display. You still get the IP68 dust and water resistance, a headphone jack, which is a dying breed in flagship phones these days. Facial scanning is still here too, with iris and face recognition, which is grouped up in intelligent scan feature, which I really like. But the three big new changes are what might make you want to upgrade to this phone this year. And first is the dual speaker setup, now with Dolby Atmos support. So the earpiece doubles as a secondary speaker, and even though it's not blow your mind better, you can definitely hear the difference. So here's an example.
Sometimes we're insecure, we're fragile, sometimes we laugh at each other to make ourselves feel better. Sometimes we lie, sometimes we say things that we really don't mean, but in the moment it seemed like a thing to do. We're all flawed, beautiful people. We're all flawed, beautiful creatures.
The second feature is not new, but it's a design improvement over all of the other Galaxy phones out right now, and that is the position of the fingerprint scanner. It has moved to below the camera module, so it's much easier to get to. It's still not the fastest scanner on the market, but I find myself not missing it as much as I did with the Note 8 or the Galaxy S8. The third feature is the biggest deal in my opinion, and that is the new 12 megapixel dual aperture camera system. This is the first camera to have this feature. Phones as of right now all have fixed aperture cameras, so for instance, the iPhone X has a f1.7 lens, the Pixel 2 XL has a f1.8 lens, and so on and so on. The Galaxy S9 has the ability to shoot in f2.4 in well-lit conditions, and it's able to switch up to a lower f1.5 aperture in low light situations to let more light in, so in theory, this should give you the cleanest low light photos that we have ever seen on a smartphone. The downside is that the smaller Galaxy S9 only has a single camera, while the Galaxy S9 Plus has a dual camera system, so for you to get live focus or portrait mode abilities on the rear camera, you will need the Galaxy S9 Plus. Both of these phones have the ability to shoot super slow motion in 960 frames per second in 720p. This is a really fun feature, and even though the quality is not that great, it's fun shooting this on a mobile phone. It's almost like freezing time for up to a 6-second stretch. It's pretty cool. The front-facing camera doesn't get an upgrade, it's still the same 8 megapixel camera. You do get the front-facing portrait mode, but the most interesting thing is probably the AR emoji feature, where you take a picture of yourself and you become the emoji. There's a lot of personalization options here. I don't think it's as fast as Animoji on the iPhone, but you do get custom GIFs straight to the keyboard so you can share it really easily. but I guess it all depends if you're into this or not. Both of these phones have the brand new Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor, so they are super quick. Gaming is really nice on these, so if you want to see some more gaming tests, make sure you let me know in the comments. One thing you do need to know is that the Galaxy S9 comes with 4GB of RAM and the S9 Plus comes with 6GB of RAM, so performance overall, the Galaxy S9 Plus might be the one to buy. There'll be a ton more content on these phones, especially camera comparisons. I'm working hard on those right now, so make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss those and hit that bell icon to get notified. You definitely don't want to miss them. But for now, I've been going around taking a ton of pics with the Galaxy S9, and I want to give you a little sneak peek of what this camera is capable of. Here are some samples from it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Enjoy.